Okay, welcome. Gonna be working on website again, the mom's website about the stories and AI characters, connecting them all. And again, we got music from Mr. Simon Nordzel on repeat here. It's just a little background music. Last time it was a little loud, so turn it down a bit today. So okay. What? Okay, run the server. I mainly want to. So here are the AI companions. We have Duchess, which is like the owner of the resort and the stories, for included in the free account. And then we have Bastion, which is like my mom says a curator of the universe. So I might want to have this guy as a free as well, or in like part of the free account. We even talked about having it on the homepage, and even like don't even need an account to have it, to try it out. Let's try that. Let's use the cloud code. Yeah, so we can let that run. We can limit it to 5-10 chats. We'll just get it going, see how it says, and then say, oh, sign up to keep chatting. But if someone comes on it and say, oh, and the Bastion character is supposed to be curator of the universe, not just the character. So like he's supposed to know more meta, like what's gonna be released and things. So yeah. And then also we can change it to be, make sure. Okay, making a plan. Nice. Five per day, yeah, that's probably best. How many free messages should anonymous visitor get before being promoted to sign up? 5 per day. Yes. What creator level knowledge does you have for languages? Review all above release hints. All the characters for us, general story themes. Teasers and release schedules. I think this will be a decent little feature. Have like 5 chats for anyone coming on it to give it a try. So it's totally doable. Yes, clear context and I'll accept edits. Yes, okay. Changing landing page, chatbot. Update, subscription tiers. Change required tier subscription tier. Let's see what is working on so far. Okay. Anonymous chat session. This was from before. Subscription, free basic. Yeah, I feel like it makes sense to have Bastion is there as well. We have 6 characters, and you only get 6 if you have the premium account. Doesn't really make that much sense. So we have free for Duchess and Bastion with limited chats, and then basic is like $5 Canadian or $4.99 Canadian a month for seed again. Yes, probably necessary. I'm using the local database, of course, to prevent corruption. But if we have like an opening landing page chat bot, limiting could like see, oh, give it an actual try without creating an account, and then create account is free. You get Duchess and Bastion plus the chapters, or like more chapters. And then the basic account is still Duchess and Bastion, but with unlimited, but more higher limits of the chats. And the premium account is $20 Canadian per month for all 6 characters, and unlimited chat. I'm not sure it's unlimited, but higher limit, because I don't think unlimited is a very smart idea. And then loading chat. Okay, let it work. And then more chapters as well. I think we have it. If we go, let that load here. This is mine. So premium, newsletters with story updates, access to all books. New chapters released every second Friday. Unlimited chat messages, unlimited. Maybe it's unlimited, I don't know. With all 6 AI companions. I can update this too, I guess, because we'll have to update this now if I'm changing it. Newsletters with story updates and one access to book 1, chapter 1 and book 2, all books. New chapters released every second Friday. But I feel like it's a pretty good deal. Even $5 Canadian a month to have the AI chatbot's pretty cheap, I would say, these days. Right now. Sure. Looks like it's working, it says. Stateside. Update. Restart the server. Let it do it. Don't really see it, but let's see what it says. Maybe give this handout. Makes sense. Yeah, okay. So I was just testing. I was just like, it's just not working, but let's see here. What is Dream River Forest? Welcome to the Dream River Forest. I'm Bastian. Part engineer, part philosopher, and unofficial guide to this place. Mia, my cat, would say hello, but she's napping. What brings you wandering this way? What is Dream River Forest? So the Claude Code was trying to just test it. Okay, message hello, which is fine, but I also couldn't see it, but I just had to sign out. 4 messages left. Where did all my messages go? Probably from this. Dream River Forest is a place where the ordinary bends towards extraordinary, a luxurious lake resort tucked. Okay. Tucked into the misty embrace of British Columbia. When British Columbia's wilds. Here, magic isn't a spectacle; it's natural. Okay, whatever. Nice. I'm Bastian. Blah blah blah. What draws you to the forest? Yeah, nice chat. Looks okay. The colors. The chat. Okay, makes more sense. 3 left, or 3 out of 5 used, oh no, 3 left, actually. Right now, Duchess is in the sunlit atrium of Windy. Her jewel tone crafted. Maybe it's a bit elaborate writing, but okay. Exit, and then if I sign in with Google. it's not there, which I guess makes sense. But ask, I guess. Looks good. Coloring looks good. Let's go here. Users. Me was make it, I guess free and basic should both work. Save. Let's see. A good question. We have a few options ranked by what I'd recommend. Attention, tooltip, plus animation, pulse animation. A small speech bubble appears next to the button for the first few seconds. Chat with Bastion. With the button gently pulsing. Yeah, it looks nice. Subtle but effective. Doesn't. CTA. Okay. I suggest option 1 plus a CTA in the copy. Chat with now in the button in the story description. Auto open after delay combination. Let's go with auto open is a bit annoying. So we can close this. Sign in. I guess my no. Oh, looks like a different problem to solve. I tried to change its free subscription tier for mine, and it still had all the characters. So I'll have to check that later. Anyways, so it's thinking now to make it a little more obvious. We can sign out. Okay, and then we can check the code to make sure it's good. So this one I checked. This one, yeah, okay, imports the widget. And imports the widget, puts the open chat Bastion. Route. Okay, new route. Landing chat. Okay. Let's see. Okay. direct database, message limit 5. Extract client IP from headers. Real IP. Client IP. Okay, just eating up tokens if you test like that. Okay, so let's give it a refresh. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's perfect. Chat with Bastion. Oh yeah, here. Chat with our Bastion guide. Here we have my chat still, didn't get deleted. Looks good. Exit. Chat with Bastion. I think it's okay. I kind of like the chat bubble. It's kind of lame, but I can't really think of anything else better right now. So if I open it, wait, pulsing. It says I can exit. But if I click here, can't exit. That's been turns off. From the story description, description, I'm not sure if that looks good anyways, to be honest. Human written content. Okay, that should fix it. It says press exit. Okay, exit. Press nice. Color is fine, I guess. We meet the staff and each we can post here. Oh, this one. Oh yeah, because he's not staff. But I can go here and then link to here. Okay. I think it looks pretty good. Subscriptions, yeah. we can commit it. Commit homepage. Bastion chat on homepage. Okay, yeah. Yes, now I have Duchess and Bastion in free account. Upgrade plan. Current plan is free. Okay, I can update the. Just say update the pricing modal with current updated tier. Pricing tier info. Bastion and Duchess included for free and basic. What else? Oh, I guess it's just the chapter book 1, chapter 1 of book 2, and then basics all the chapters. It's just like if you don't have an account, you can read chapter 3 now, 1, 2, and 3. But I probably don't need to have it. Newsletters and the story updates, access limited chat with AI, companion Duchess. I just changed that. I can do it. I can do it myself. I don't need to have. I think it's just pricing modal. This sort of stuff I don't really need to use tokens for. So it's free, limited chats with AI companions, Duchess and Bastion. Yes, with Duchess and Bastion. Yeah, I guess that's enough. Stateside. And then maybe we can take this. Okay. Yeah. Nice. Bastion, okay, looks like characters, okay. So Staff stories. Back to home. And you have to be signed out, which makes sense, I guess. Because if you are signed in, you can talk with him in the other thing. And the other chats are like this. So what do you do? Let's clear it and see. I have little prompts. What patterns help me think differently? Sure. No, it doesn't work. What's wrong? Internal. And this one, hello. That doesn't work for some reason. Wonder. Premium. I'm just wondering maybe if I change the home, refresh. Okay, I'm logged in. Let's try here. Hello. Oh, no, okay, well. Then I need to fix it. Sending. The homepage. This one. Shouldn't work. Okay. This one still works though. Hello. Okay, so this one works. Okay. Sign in. Hello. I don't have it. Let's get the server running here. And I can. Lounge. Help me with it. Okay, now it's working. Okay, now it's working, guys. Maybe just needed to restart the server. It was like running in here in the cloud Claude Code, which isn't the best, of course, but yeah, so maybe that's why it was being weird. So it seems to be working now. Okay, as a request, shift to perspective, that's where it begins, not enhancement, but reframing. Tell me what puzzles you're circling. Okay. Sign out again. Sign out. Wait, let's see. Pulsing. Chat with Bastion or guide. Okay. Yeah, it's nice, I guess. Nice enough, I would say. Nice enough, nice enough, nice enough. And go here. Exit. Check if it builds. And ship it. Ship it. Ship it. Send it. Let it rip. Okay, it looks good. What am I? Just one more. Yeah, okay, so we'll use this. Commit. Commit. Updating pricing model. Include Bastion chat. No, we can't push. Send it. Rip it. Let it rip. Let it rip. Okay, turn back on. Okay, exit this. I want to check it again just to. I think it's nice. Maybe a little too wordy, but we can update that as we go. But I think it's nice and easy. Should be easy enough to make it like limited for this. Not people can't abuse it or whatever. Meet the judges and the staff. Okay, Willow. We can do that from here. Let's expand the internet staff. Characters profile pages. With some of newer information we have. Let's expand the characters profile pages. Yeah, pretty good. So I made this from the suggestion of one of the Claude Code's marketing skills for SEO, because you have like 7 pages. People can search and find it, I guess. But it's also kind of nice because like my mom wanted also. We had this one, and they don't have. There's not for the chats. Just anyone can read about this. And here I have it set up with Sanity CMS. Content management system, so she can post like side stories or side quests or whatever, and then people can comment on them here as well. It's all set up. So here you don't need an account to view these, whereas the other one you had to like be logged in to see the chat, and then view the profile, and it has a little more description and people can read up about them, and maybe it brings more SEO. Doodling. page. Good enough. Bastion mainly updated in this file. What is this? Help to get some phrases from personality. Check them out, I guess. Yeah, just adding more things from the database that we added. So. This one should have more, a little bit. Okay. Oh, yeah. That's these tags and stuff. Not sure that's really necessary. It's fine, I guess. Observant, precise, warm. It's pretty weird, but whatever. I have to optimize this from my mom's suggestion of like the characters. Like, okay. Books he recommends: The Road, Catch 22, Norwegian Wood, Kafka on the Shore, Slaughterhouse 5. I mean, it's part of the characters. We want to put them in the system prompt in the database. We can put them here, I guess. And probably won't push it now though. Just because it's not that big a deal, and then it takes a bit to deploy, so we'll push it there. Nice though. Nice. I think this looks good. Let's check out some different viewpoints here. Nice. Yeah, it looks fine. Okay. So that's being pushed, deployed, is newest update. Don't need to push it. What else? I think it's pretty good now. I kind of want to get rid of these purplish color, so I made this like the a little bit different coloring, but sort of brought it back anyways. That's okay, I guess. But that's I think all for now. So ciao.